सेलिब्रेशन में हमारे साथ मौजूद है 70s की लेजेंडरी एक्ट्रेस ज़ीनत अमन जी।
Cargo, and a very good evening to all present here. Respected CEM, Dr. Tuliram Ronghang, Chief Executive Member, Shri Ritesh Ingley, Executive Member of Tourism, all the important politicians and ministers and distinguished people here, shooting star events, and the beautiful people of Karbi Anglong. I am so exceedingly happy to be here on the celebration of World Tourism Day to participate in celebrating Karbi Anglong tourism. Karbi Anglong is stunning. Absolutely stunning. I mean the visuals that I have just seen, will stay with me forever. And I wish, sir, that I could bring people from my fraternity to come here, maybe shoot, maybe do different things in your beautiful place. It is stunning. You do here in Karbi Anglong, you have, as we have seen, beautiful green rolling hills, dense forests, and all the flora and fauna, waterfalls, paddy fields, and the fantastically blue meandering rivers. And this can attract visitors from all over the world. Everybody will want to come here, especially after the pandemic. People want to go to places that are peaceful, that are close to nature, and you cannot beat what you have to offer here in Karbi Anglong. Most important of all, the smiling, warm and happy faces of the people. Unbelievable. So I love seeing the cultural dance. I love, imbibing all the varied and rich culture and traditions of this area. And I just want to thank you, sir. I want to thank you for inviting me to be here to celebrate World Tourism Day and to celebrate Karbi Anglong. Honestly, I think you are fabulous. And you are blessed to have such a beautiful place. Thank you.
Thank you so much, ma'am. तो यही थी